The Femme Flexor's unique design uses weightless elastic resistance to activate the pelvic floor muscles. You may be hesitant about deciding to put something new inside. That's why we've designed the Femme Flexor with ease and comfort in mind. Follow our guide and you'll soon discover what's been missing from your workout all these years. Before using your Femme Flexor, sterilize the tool in boiling water. The Femme Flexor is made in Canada with platinum-grade, non-porous, and body-safe silicone, so you never have to worry about unsafe toxins and contaminants. Use warm water and scent-free soap for sanitizing your hands and the tool. Find a comfortable position. We recommend sitting or lying on your back in a semi-reclined position with pillows supporting your upper body and, if you like, under your knees. There are two orientations that work best for the Femme Flexor. The solid sides create more resistance. The aperture sides create less. Think of the Femme Flexor as the Pilates band of pelvic floor training. Did you know 1 in 3 women will suffer from pelvic floor issues in her lifetime? Pelvic floor exercises, also known as Kegels, have been done for decades to help certain pelvic floor issues, but most of us are still not doing them right. In order to see results in pelvic floor training, it's like any other exercise. It needs to be done regularly, mindfully, and with increased resistance. The Femme Flexor provides that resistance so that your muscles get stronger over time. Now I'm going to teach you how to use the Femme Flexor and how to activate your pelvic floor muscles. It's important to completely relax when inserting the Femme Flexor. Your pelvic floor is part of your deep core muscles. Slowly insert the Femme Flexor into your vagina. Just past the entrance, no further. Take a deep breath in. As you begin to exhale, contract your pelvic floor muscles by squeezing your Femme Flexor. Keep breathing out while holding your contraction for 5 seconds. Your diaphragm and your pelvic floor muscles are connected like a piston. When you inhale, your pelvic floor is pushed down. When you exhale, your pelvic floor is lifted up. Contract your pelvic floor muscles as you exhale to use the momentum. Repeat these exercises 10 times and continue to breathe. Do not hold your breath. As your pelvic floor muscles become stronger, you can increase the number of sets and begin to hold your contraction up to 10 seconds at a time. Use warm water and scent-free soap for sanitizing your hands. Being relaxed is essential for removing the Femme Flexor, so find a comfortable position. We suggest you try returning to the same position you chose to insert the Femme Flexor, or try squatting down or standing, putting one foot on the toilet. To remove the Femme Flexor, put 1 or 2 fingers inside your vagina, grab hold of one of the apertures. Slide the Femme Flexor out, rinse the Femme Flexor with water and scent-free soap. Remember the apertures. You may want to use a sanitizing spray or wipe. Store in the original Femme Flexor cotton bag. Pelvic floor exercises are not for everyone. We recommend you consult with your doctor or pelvic health physiotherapist before beginning a pelvic floor training program. The Femme Flexor website is a great resource for information, tips, and professional tutorials on pelvic floor muscle training. To learn more, visit us at femmeflexor.com.